Hello everyone, I'm back again with an amazing recipe of restaurant style egg curry. So here is the detailed list of ingredients. Here I have 5 hard-boiled eggs, onto which I made vertical slits. Let's see what else do we need for this recipe. Here's chopped onions, tomato puree, hard-boiled eggs, whole spices. So here's 3 cinnamon sticks, 3 cardamom pods, half teaspoon of shahi zira or caraway seeds, 3 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, quarter cup of fresh coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt. Then I have quarter cup of oil. Let's heat half quantity of the oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add eggs to the pan. We will fry the eggs until golden brown. Keep the eggs aside and add the remaining oil to the pan. Add whole spices to it. Let them fry for a minute and then we will add the chopped onions. We will fry the onions until soft and brown. Add the ginger garlic paste to it. Stir well and then add the turmeric powder, followed by the red chilli powder. Mix well and immediately add the tomato puree to the pan. Let it cook for about 5 minutes and then we will add the salt to it. Stir well and close the pot. Let it cook for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, now we will add the coriander powder and the cumin powder. Mix well and add the garam masala powder. After 1 more minute, we will add the yogurt now. Adding the yogurt will give this curry a very good texture. Mix well and add half cup of water to it. Let it simmer until the oil starts to separate. Now we will add the eggs to the gravy. Cover the eggs with the gravy so that the eggs soak in all the flavors from the gravy. It's time to add the fenugreek leaves and coriander leaves. Mix well and switch off the flame. Restaurant style egg curry is now ready. Serve it with chapati or plain rice. So let's go ahead and get the taste test done.
It's time for the taste test. It's good. It's good. And a little spicy.
We learned from Chef Hania that it was a little spicy for her. But the restaurant style egg curry definitely needs a spicy kick to it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Signing out for now, and we'll surely be back with some amazing recipes.
Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!